I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and
make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible.
So, welcome everyone. Welcome. My stream ping is still not there. Let me manually add it. Everyone join me live, okay? Let me add this one. So today is day 9 of building a social media application from scratch using FastAPI and React.js. So chat. Something went wrong. This issue person contact us to help center over. There's a small issue here right now. Let's use maybe this ID. Today, my plan is to complete the chatting feature. Like, so today I was thinking of making the application black in theme. Let's open it first. Let's open the application codes. Practice social media app. Let's open the backend first. Clear. Let's set up the virtual environment and then let's run it. Let's run the socket app. So it is running, right? Yes. Now let's open the front end. So here, open it code. But now don't show again. Okay. npm. Sorry. Yeah, we can run npm run dev. Now let me check the index .css. Yeah, this is the issue here. So bgfff, let's comment this. Also background val. Also let's comment this out. Yeah. Then let's open the main page. Here value is system default, right? Default system. So let me check the app again. It's still white. Okay, main.tsx import chakra provider default system theme. Okay, let me do this. Whoever is watching, please like the stream. So, what is the main? We already have this, I think. Yeah, theme. I don't have theme. So let's delete the above line. Okay, so right now we also have theme, and now we can set the theme. And put the app here inside the theme. And let's make the theme system default. Yeah, system. Control V. Wait a second. To system. It's still white in color. What? What's the issue here? Why everything is white? Okay. Uh, like let's make the appearance dark. Yeah, this time this might work. Yeah, but this is black in color. I need something good looking. Why the system value is not working? Can you do solid? No, we cannot. Wait a second. If I do it dark, then okay. So all the black colors become white and the white background becomes dark. Same here. So how to custom set this color? Let me check. By the way, you can write exclamation DC or exclamation specs in my live chat, and you will get the uh, output from Nightbot. Get a custom theme, okay. So let's make a theme.ts. Inside src, let's make a folder first. Theme. Inside theme, theme.tsx, ts I mean. Theme.ts. So yeah, we got the theme. Okay. Okay, so inside here we can write dark. Wait. Oh, is the where? Provider store. It's still the same. Chakra provider value system. So instead of system, let's default. Okay, default system. There is no system here. What can we? What else can we take? No, it's still not working. Yeah. Let's check out to the second point. Okay, system from theme. Okay. Okay, so yes, okay, I got it. Now we can get this here, and here we can write, yeah, system. What is yeah, provider chakra provider theme dark. Okay. There's a issue here. Okay, the location is wrong. Uh, we first need the theme. Okay, now let me check it, and it's cooked. It looks very bad, but it looks as if everything is completely reset. Bad idea. So it was a bad idea. Let's work on default system. The dark theme is not that good. It completely resets all the design of components. Okay, that's important catch in Chakra UI 3. By the way, let's do a poll here. We can do a poll. How to open it? Inside my channel, I can do a poll. Let's do a poll. Best, which stack is best? Question mark. First will be Mern, of course. Second is Pern. Mern, but with Postgres. Instead of MongoDB, we are replacing it with Postgres, and Fast API or Django. Mern, we can also keep mean here, MEAN. But let's keep it Mern. Mern stack, Pern stack, React.js, Fast API plus Django, and last will be Spring Boot. What front end do we use in Spring Boot? I don't even know. Can we use Spring Boot with React.js? Just like Spring Boot. Okay, let's start the poll. Can I vote it myself? I cannot vote it. I can actually. I have another device. I am voting React plus FastAPI because I am using it a lot. Okay. Okay, let's update the theme. Whoever is watching, please like the stream and come to live chat. So inside front end, let's change the theme. Yeah. Okay. No. Yeah, we have to change it here. System. Let's see. Check the what? Suppose we are removing it. Suppose. It's still white. Why is everything white? Okay, I have idea. I have idea. So this dark, let's make it something cooler. Suppose we make it blue. Let's see the change. You closed it by mistake. Yeah, let's open it. Yeah. So this is the social media. Here's the theme. Replace your preferred dark color. But the dark theme is not even working. It's the same. It's changing nothing. Nothing is changed because your original layout styling comes entirely from custom setup, not the Chakra UI internal theme value. Uh, Contains query enforced through background manually. Okay. Okay. But I have deleted it. I have already deleted it. Makes it dark, not the custom color dark in theme dot ts. So right now I'm unable to change the actual dark theme. Okay, so let's open the theme. Let's change the theme completely. Now let's see. Yeah, finally. By the way, why there is some white thing below everything? I don't know why. At least it looks better. Mm, it looks a little better. And seeing the user, there's a problem in the user section. It trims the photo, so I need to change. I need to edit it so that it doesn't change. Trim the photo down from the above, from the top. I mean. So let's open the main page. Okay. So yeah, chatting. We were checking the chatting feature. Message. Yeah. This is the conversation. What is this conversation? I think this is dummy. This will actually send the name, but this is dummy right now. Okay, so let's open some different account here. Right now I have a problem. My previous context of the chat GPT is wiped out for some reason. So I'm redoing it. Oh, there is no storage here. Let's use something else. Let's use some different account. Maybe this one. What is this? Gaming charity. Tooth fairy classification. Okay, let's give this. Yeah. These are my social media application. These are sending mode. Okay. So let's add backend. Let's add first add all the core. Okay. After that, let's add the models. So yeah. So comment, conversation, like, dislike, message, post, and user. And let's. What do you mean? This plan allows 7. What? There are some limitations now. Okay. But previously there were no limitations. Let me check another account. Suppose this account. Let me check it from here. Okay. I don't know how my previous search history is deleted. I have to check. Codex. Okay, let me check if it's working here. Let's open the routes. I think we are missing the chatting route. I cannot send it. Let me check some other like this main and oh, I can send a main. Okay, routes, chat route. I cannot send a chat route. I don't know why. Main, backend, schemas. Have I uploaded the schemas? Yeah. User post, user comment, like, dislike, conversation, and message. Okay. So now code model routes schemas and uploads is not necessary, of course. Uh, a chat route. Where was the chat route? Let me check the chat route. Is there some problem here? Oh, it's a chat route. Okay, it's empty. Why is it's even there in the first place? Chat.py, sorry. Whoever is watching, please like the stream and come to the chat. So let's check. Okay. It's time for front end. Let's open the front end. Social media, front end, src, app.tsx, main.tsx, both are main folders. Let's open the API, XJS, okay. Now let's, this is the app, this is the store, Redux store. Now, assets, this is stupid. Components, we have chatting components. We have comment components. And we have main navigation bar component. And also we have two post component, create and postcard. Wait for more. Yeah, APIs, app, okay. Features. Yeah, this is the front end structure. I understood it completely. So sorry, features, all the features. Let's give all the features. Authentication feature, and then chat feature, and then comment feature. And is the comment not global? No, we don't need global comment, by the way, because comment is being edited in one page only. Maybe in future I will have a global comment. By the way, I want suggestion from somebody. Should I make everything global? I think I'm not getting any views today. Nobody is coming. Let's go here. Pages, yeah. These are the main pages. SRC routes. Wait for more. Okay, we have got all the authentication features. That's not authentic, sorry. I mean, Redux features. Now let's give the socket. After that, theme, which is kind of useless, but let's give it. After the theme, yeah, types, which is very important. By the way, we don't have type declaration in comments. I think we should have a type declaration in comments too. Missing some file. Log front end, back end, and in front end. User it opens messages empty for now. Logic work and add a uh, icon in navbar too. Okay, complete backend structure, the core model, okay, routes, everything. Complete front end structure, okay. Why messages page is empty? The problem is not the backend. The problem is in profile. When you navigate, the Redux state is rest. So reset, sorry, Redux state reset. So okay, null. And when okay, chat window. If selected conversation doesn't exist and select a conversation, then okay. Replace with, so initial state replace. I think during evening time nobody watches YouTube because I am getting no views at all. Add message button to navbar inside authentication section. Okay. Add messages button to navigation bar. Protected route and public route, current routes, and anyone can open them. I would change it to okay. So I was not implementing the protected route here. That means anybody can access it now. Is it true though? Let me check. For example, if I write localhost, okay, this is not right. Let's write local. What's the locust host again? Yeah, this one. Let's copy it. And let's paste it here. Okay. By the way, entire page is white. That's a problem. We need to fix it. If I write home, yeah, we can still open the home. Although we are not getting the authentication, but still we can open the home. So we can fix it. It's the front end. Let's open the back end. Let's do the same thing. Push it here. Okay. Inside authentication section. Okay. So we can add a. Okay. Let's navigate convention. Navigation URL. Okay. So we need to make a route here. Let's open route. Whoever is watching, please like the stream and come to a live chat. Try to write exclamation DC here. Let me write it myself in the chat. Exclamation DC. Is the nightbot not working? But yesterday it was working. Yeah, it is working. You can click in my Discord link to join my server. Wait, let me open my YouTube. Yeah. Let's pin this comment. Pin message. Okay. Today Tahir Bhai didn't came. Okay, so this is the design. Okay. Send. There's a writing option of course. This is the input field. Now let's open here. Okay. Wait a second. Let me fix this once more. Okay. Please come to the chat, guys. Come to a live chat. Okay, so let's see the navigation here. Wait a second. Navigate inside profile. Yeah, yeah. We are using navigate messages. Instead of that, we should be navigating to the ID. So let me try this one. But I don't know if it's working or not. Let me check. Oh, wait a second. Instead of navigating to the messages, we are navigating to a particular message now. So yeah, add message button to navigation bar. Where is navigation bar? Let's check the navigation bar again. These are components, right? Yeah. So yeah, navigation bar component. So let's add an extra button inside navigation bar. There's a login button, everything okay. Open, we can write a chat or something like that, or a emoji instead of writing the name. So yeah, here we can add a navigation, a messages button. Instead of writing messages, we can add an emoji. Let me check a emoji. Message. I think this one is good. Here. Let's add emoji. Okay. So let me check. So yeah, it's so far away. Yes, because the button size is big, That's why it's so far away. How to make the button size smaller? Let me check. The button color is transparent or something like that. We can only hover over the button right now. Let's open the navigation bar again. Color scheme. We can add color scheme in the log out. Okay. Color scheme red. If the color scheme is red, then why it's showing white? What's even point of that? Let's forget it for now. Let's just write chat here because it's looking a little ugly here. That's why let's write chat. Okay. If we click on chat, conversations. Okay. If we go back, if we click a user and click message, okay. So we cannot open a chat, I think, because it's not being initiated or something like that. No route matched. Okay, so it's not been created yet. The main problem is it's not been created yet. Okay, we have added it. No problem. Another bug. Current route. Okay. Okay. Let's change this to. Okay. So there are problem in the route. Okay. Path profile ID. Okay. So it's not protected now. It's make all of them protected. So yeah, these are all the routes. Wait a second. Okay. The message is message ID now, right? Let me check profile ID. Message is still message, but let's change the protected route later. First, let's find here. What? Messages doesn't exist. Okay. So we need both message and message ID. So I think there is a confusion in between names. Router, who is router? Public route and protected route. Okay. This is protected route, and public route. Okay. Let's open the routes again. Okay. So let's fix the routes here now. The routes, pages, yeah, routes, app route. Okay. So instead of using normal routes, we can do it this now. Public route is okay. Let's import public route. Also import protected route. So the error must be gone. Okay. User. Okay. And social media. Okay. So wait a second. Yeah. Please like the stream, guys. Okay, so app router, let me check the app router. I have fixed the public and protected router. This is the protected route, okay. And this is the public route, okay. Profile is protected route, login is protected route. Element protected, public, okay. Login is public route, okay. A register is also public route. Apart from login register, everything is protected. I should keep a login and register above everything. Is this convention wrong? If we keep login and uh, login and register above everything, it's all right. I think nothing wrong. Okay. Okay. Conversation ID. Okay. But this doesn't exist. Yeah, this doesn't exist. Okay. You would also need a route message conversion ID. Okay. Okay. Let's open. Wait a second. Message tx6. Let's make this route. Although it doesn't exist, but let's make it. Element. Let's make the element protected. And let's keep it here inside the protected element. Okay. So now we have a message. Wait a second. Message is what? But the name is same. Element messages. Okay, let's keep it same for now. We'll change it later. Chat slice. So let's open the chat slice. Let's yeah, features. Chat slice. By the way, Tahir Bhai didn't came today. He's playing 007 First Light. Chat slice. So const, where is that? Initial state. Yeah, this is the initial state. So we need to change the initial state to this. Okay. So the new initial state is select null local storage. Okay. Set selected conversation. Yeah, this is set selected conversation. We need to add payload. Okay, local set selected conversation stringify action payload. Okay, it's done. Clear on logout. It's optional. Let's do it. Clear on logout. Yeah. Let's open the authentication slice. Where is the authentication? Yeah. Or slice. Logout state. Where is the logout state? Logout state. Null logout. Okay. Remove selected conversation. Okay. Let's remove the selected conversation after logout. I think it's important to remove it after logout. So we have made the fixed it. Profile message button, create conversation, Redux select conversation, navigate to messages. Okay. Let me check the front end. Okay. User to messages. Yeah, it's still opening. Yeah, it's opening the ID, but the ID is not showing up here. It is opening the ID, but the ID should open the chat here, and also the name should appear here, irrespective of ID or not. Where is app routes? Yeah, I have done it. Should I remove the messages, by the way? Yeah, let's remove the messages entirely in the routes. App routes. Yeah, messages. Completely remove the messages. Yeah. I mean, yeah. Even without ID, messages will appear maybe, or will it not? Let me check. What? Sorry. Profile definitely cannot appear without messages. Chat. Yeah. So okay. So even without ID, message will appear. That's a good thing. So we don't need the extra. Chat slice. There's a small problem here. Add message. Okay, we will fix this add message later. Let's first actually make the message block working. So we have done the app block. But the generic is still working without it. Oh no, it's not working. What? Okay. Okay, my bad. Let's keep the generic messages like this. Okay. So both will work. We can open every message, and we can also click on message user, and it will also open the same thing. Step to update profile, of course, with the profile. Types. Pages. Where is the pages? Inside pages. Profile page. Yeah. So let's see. Uh, is it even there? These two lines. Yeah. It's there. So dispatch conversation ID await. Create a conversation profile ID message here. Dispatch set conversation. Okay. We don't need to dispatch now, I think. Yeah, okay. So we don't need the dispatch here again. So let's check the messages. Where's the messages? I think in the pages. Messages page. Use params. Okay. Okay, we are importing this. Okay, so inside the we are calling it out conversation ID, use params. Okay, so load conversation, const dispatch, use dispatch. Oh, okay. By the way, where is the get conversation again? The dispatch is missing. That's called dispatch. Uh, it's creating get conversation which doesn't exist, I think. Yeah, it's in chat API. And okay, we are importing it 2 times by mistake. Okay, so the conversation is done. Uh, making the conversation list navigate currently. Okay, where is the on-click dispatch? There's no on-click dispatch. But let me check it. Remove the local storage. Conversation list. Okay. Okay, so it's in the conversation list. This is all the conversation added. Make the conversation list navigate currently. Let's see the on click here. Display on dispatch conversation. Okay, so we don't need this anymore. So we need to first import use navigate above. So yeah, navigate. Let's import it. Yeah. And let's change the on click to on click dispatch. Okay, navigate. Okay, remove the local storage conversation hack. Is it still existing? Let me check. No, it doesn't exist. Step 7, the fix chat window. So where's the chat window? Comes from a URL, so we need to open. Okay, I've added a message button. One more thing. Okay, chat window. Something like inside component message text should be a coordinator. So message.tsx. Let me check the messages inside the page. I mean message page. Yeah, here's the messages. So let's check the messages here. So let's check the front end. Let's go back. User one. Go back. Go to main app. Let's see the user two, and if we click messages. So if I click, it opens messages page with a ID, but nothing shows. Before navigation, most likely cause it strongly suspect this. CID, okay, a number. So chat window. Let's open the chat window. So inside the chat window, if selected section return, let's add a console log here. Most likely cause, okay, I strongly suspect. No, okay. To string, okay. I can change this to string. Let me search it really quick. Console. Let's see if it's creating a conversation or not. Let's go back. Let's click on message. URL routing use parameter, they are working. The next thing to check whether the effect run, what it gets back. What is this fetch message? Okay, let's add this message here before dispatch. It doesn't matter. And after catch error, instead of getting error or writing error, we will write this everything inside the error. Okay. Okay. So now let's check the front end again. Let's go here. Let's refresh and then click on message. Let's inspect and let's say console. Okay. Your logs prove that a conversation is created. URL is correct. Select conversation is set. Chat loads. Get message worked. Backend returns successfully. Now let me tell me what's a UI shows. UI shows with navbar and below is then with everything is blank and the right side left side, sorry, left side conversion, right side I think is blank. Okay, and would input in BO the bottom of right side. Blank is simply message. Okay. Okay, but it should show the actual link between messages. Hey, and let's send it. Let me check the backend. Okay, let's restart it. Okay, so we got a bubble appeared here. But after a refresh, I got completely blank. You said when I wrote sent but I refresh the message exists. The message is being saved to DB. Redux state is not updating immediately. Socket even isn't updating the UI. So issue message bubble is blank. Let's check the message bubble. Let's say components, chat, message bubble. Suspect that you have something like this, okay? Also actual message oriented in chat window. Okay. And message input, let's also check the message input because it's where the input is being sent. uh you sent, okay, but you never update Redux, so the sender doesn't immediately see their own message. Okay, let's open the what message input. First issue is in the input itself. Okay, okay, const message. Where's the message? Let's make a message here. Wait a second. Const message equal to await send message. Okay, await send message socket emit. Okay, why bubble is blank? The bubble renders. Okay, bad user experience. After creating a conversation, you should immediately insert it into a Redux. Create. Wait a second. Where is the conversation created? Const conversation equal to await in profile. Okay. Yeah. The problem is in the profile because it's not starting the conversation directly. So where is the? Yeah, this is here. Handle message. Is it? Does it even exist? It doesn't even exist. Yeah, it exists. Yeah, in conversation, await. Yeah, navigate to conversation ID, dispatch. Yeah, we are not dispatching it. Add conversation. Okay. So we need to make it here. There's no add conversation reducer. Wait a second. Let me open the reducers really quick. So in the reducer chat slice, set select conversation, set message, add message. There is some issue here, maybe. Is there some issue now? Okay, so we got some issues here. Add reducer. The add conversation reducer doesn't exist. We made it right now, but it's not working. Okay, let's open the reducer. Chat slice. Yeah, I have add conversation reducer. Argument of any type. Any is not okay. Profile. Where's the profile? Okay. And let's check the profile now. SRC pages, messages, and profile. And then slice, features, chat, chat API set, chat slice. So let's see what's missing now. Oh, okay. Add. Yeah, yeah. Real-time message still won't appear. You imported add message, but never used it. Okay. So let's open the message input. Inside the message input, add message. Yeah, as add message is never used, and also dispatch is never used. Const messages. Set content. Okay. So we are adding the dispatch here. 3 duplicate messages are likely currently. Don't dispatch locally and rely on the socket, or don't emit back to sender on backend. Okay. So sidebar looks like conversation, something like that. Okay. I have added it. Okay, now let me check the front end. Let's click on user. Let's click on message. Empty. Hey. I'm still getting empty message bubble and yeah, my message bubbles are still empty and conversation doesn't appear. Does not appear in right side, in left side. There is a message bubble. Let's check the message bubble and here. Okay, let me check what inside the bubble. Message conversation. Okay, so we need messages routes now. Let me first check this. Check the conversation. So I'm not getting the conversation. Yeah, I'm getting the message bubble. The content is there, but the content is there, but the content is not showing. What? What's the problem? What? I cannot copy it. There is content equal to it, but I cannot copy it. Is read is false. We cannot read it. Okay, it's normal thing. Okay. Anything, JSON stringify message. Let's try this now. Oh, it's not copying. Yeah, let's write JSON stringify. Okay. In stringify, RBU bubble. Nothing changed. Okay. Sorry. Control A, Control V. Hey, yeah, we can get hey now. Seriously? React currently data is correct, backend is correct. The problem is inside the chakra text rendering style. Okay. Okay. Okay, so chakra was unable to render the text. That was the main problem. So string, yeah. So we have made the object string here. By the way, let's check the backend really quick. What's the message model? ID content is string. The content is string itself. So what's the problem? I don't know. Okay, but there's still no. For who sent. There is no username in left side and no what do you say, message in right side. A message response, yeah, and conversation response. Yeah, so let's see the message schema. Okay, let's make see the backend message and conversation schema. So there is message and conversation schema. Okay, and also messages routes. So backend routes messages. Your schemas only return ID. Current conversation schema. Okay. Current message schema. Okay. Inside message schema, let's open the message schema. By the way, I want to check one more thing before that. For that, let's open it. Let's open login. User2 @gmail.com, and here let's add user2. I think, yeah, we can log in. And if we check username and message, yeah, messages are there. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. The website is not real time. So yeah, the messages is working. Previously, it was not showing because that the, what do you say, formatting of the material UI, sorry, Chakra UI was not correct. Okay. Let's open the backend now. Let's open the message schema. Model, no, not model. Schema. Message schema. There is message response. Sender ID. Where is the sender ID? Okay, let's remove the sender ID. User ID. Wait a second. Okay. Okay, sender equal to user response. Okay. Okay. So we have changed the sender ID to sender equal to user response. Okay. We have changed the theme. Conversation sidebar. Create let's check the conversation. This is the conversation. Conversation response. Yeah, let's create a conversation user now. Yeah. So we have made a conversation user now. And we need to change the conversation response. Okay. What? No, not this. Other user, conversation user. Okay. So yeah, ID other user is conversation user created at. Okay. So now get conversation. Where is the route? I think return conversation. Let's find the return conversation. Uh, in the routes, we can return conversation. Replace it with here. What's the issue now? Okay, the indentation is wrong. So we need to change the indentation first. Yeah, I think it's correct now. Modify the get message, return message. Yeah, inside the return message, we need to return everything. Okay. Yeah, the core point of the front end was missing. Right now we can add this inside a conversation list. Yeah, instead of just writing text first. Yeah, we will keep this, by the way. Or let's remove this. Okay. Should we try this too? Okay. Why not? Let's try this. Message bubble. Okay. But this was not working previously. How will it work this time? Let's restart the backend. A second. Let's clear it and let's restart the backend. Yeah, it's working now. Let's go to chat. Okay, the message is it's not working. Let's go back. What? Okay, let's go to users too. Let's try to message. What happened? What I'm clicking? I need to run the code again now. Uh, social media backend. Okay, and let's open the front end now. This is the front end. Let's run the front run. Inspect console. And if we messages, then if we Let's see what happens in the backend terminal. I mean, the terminal is main thing. Everything else is temporary. Okay, response validation error. Proper fix. We need a proper fix for it. Let's open the conversation response. This is, I think, already, this already exists. Schema, conversation, yeah. Conversation response and conversation user, okay. Create a helper. Routes. Let's open the message routes. The fix. Yeah, this is routes. Messages routes. So let's get the full messages routes here. Already contained helper, but you are not using. No, give me a full routes. Full converse messages route. Let's get the full messages route page here. You agree full page break safely generate a complete message that will like run file depends on your current messages. Okay. Schema. Where is the schema again? Routes, schema, message schema, and conversation schema. And this is the conversation schema. Get messages, okay. But we are returning manually. So is it a good design? So let's open the messages routes. Okay. Okay. Let's me turn off the backend and rerun it. And after that, let's check the front end again. Front end, chat is still empty. What happened? User 2, message. Was the error here? And this is a fake error, of course. Let's see the real error here in backend. There is no error in backend. If we click on message, it gives this error. On a user profile, this error occur. Hello Typescript, how are you? Are you well today? Are you feeling healthy? Please like the stream, Typescript. Oh, okay. By the way, you have requested me to add a dislike button. So this is the dislike. See, I have liked it. I can dislike it. Then like will disappear. And if I like again, the dislike will disappear. So we can either like it or dislike it. Hmm. Uh, there's a big issue today. I want to add the chatting feature, but unable to connect it. The chat page is showing blank. I don't know why. After not defined, okay. Okay, okay. Okay, so the issue is stupid. Let's open the conversation list maybe. Or anything that includes avatar. Message chatting. I am including a chatting feature. You can do one-to-one chat. Yeah, that's cannot find avatar. It's such a stupid issue. It's stupid because the only thing I need to do is that my keyboard is not working. Uh, I don't know why my both my keywords are not working. What? Why my keyboard is not working? Am I in read mode or something? You are working on a mission. What is the mission? Oh, come on. Some weird glitch to appear. What's your mission, Tyroi? I am also in a mission. I want 100 subscribers. 100 subscribers in few months, 1 2 months. But I think it's not possible. What the hell? Infiltrating a party, like a wedding or something? But you're sick, right? In 7 game. Okay. So it's a mission. I thought it's a real life mission or something like that. It's in-game mission. I thought you want to infiltrate a wedding function of someone near you. By the way, have you ever done it in real life? I have actually done it when I was a child. Because if you're a child, I think nobody will say anything to you. Avatar is still. What the hell is this avatar? Let's remove this avatar for now. Okay. User? No, no, no. If we open our own user profile, it shows edit profile. We can edit everything. Let's cancel. And if we click on somebody else like user 2, it will show a message. So you can message him. Say this is the message section. You can write hey and send. And it's not sent yet. What? Okay. There are some bugs here. I need to fix it. Sorry, called you by mistake. Called you by mistake. What? You have called me. I didn't even know you called me. I think I need to go early today. So bye bye guys. I am leaving early today. I have some work. See you in next stream.